Are your leaves curling? Are your seedlings stunted? Is your cup of tea empty? Then you probably have aphids. I'm riddled with them. I'm going to show you a cheap and easy way of getting rid of them quickly. Aphids stunt the growth of plants, leaving behind curled or dead leaves and damaged fruit. They spread quickly and are best removed as soon as you find them. All you'll need is a spray bottle and some washing up liquid. Not sponsored, other brands are available. Please check that your brand of washing up liquid is plant safe before covering all of your plants. Step 1. Add some water to your spray bottle. Step 2. Add a good squirt of your washing up liquid. Then replace the top and give it a real good shake. We're after lots of bubbles. Step 3. Spray your soapy water onto your plants. Make sure to properly cover them. Aphids like to lurk underneath the leaves rather than on top, so really get your hands in there. If you don't have a spray bottle and using a bowl of water instead, cover your hands in the soapy water and massage in the same way. That's it for now. We just need to wait until tomorrow. Coming back the next day, I'm really happy with the results. It removed most, if not all, of the aphids off our lettuce, strawberry and tomato plants. You may find that it doesn't remove all of the aphids the first time round. Simply repeat the steps each day until they're all gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you have any tips or advice for others, please leave them down in the comments so we can all benefit from your experience. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.